Oh boy.
Hey guys, do you encounter such problems? This product is a trunk button warning sticker that can remind your family and friends to use it to open the trunk, as prolonged direct pressing by hand can damage the power trunk door. So please be sure to protect your power trunk door.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if
The second situation is that when your family and friends ride in your Tesla for the first time, they may encounter a situation where they don't know how to open the doors. So, I would recommend this product to everyone to prevent any awkward moments when your family and friends can't open the doors. Additionally, these door handle stickers are not only practical but also fun and stylish. Yes, these stickers are very easy to apply, similar to temporary tattoo stickers.